Good evening, everyone. This is Clarence, Crown Furniture Web 2.0, and I'm about to start a science project dealing with a little bit of electronics. Some of the components which were necessary to get were a universal breadboard, some jumper wire to go with the breadboard, a couple of carbon filter resistors, a double A, well, actually, a 9-volt battery enclosure of the project as it's completed. And then in there will be a final video which actually shows the completed project. So first thing is I had gotten the schematics for the particular project from instructables.com, and it started out with the premise of learning how to read circuit diagrams. After reading the circuit diagrams, the next step was actually applying what you learned, and that's where we're at right now. We're at the stage of putting together the very first project. So, as I get started putting the project together, I'll make another video and I'll let you know more about it. I'm sorry about the dark lighting. I have to work on the lighting situation for future videos, but at this time, this is what I'm working with. Talk to you later.